Hello everyone, this is Boxful. Today we are going to share some latest Android 14 TV sticks for your reference. And first of all, I would like to introduce this one. And this one is called S13 Air TV stick. And it's with the Android 14, the latest operating system, and also with the Rockchip RK3518 chipset. And you can see here is the design. This is the white design TV stick and some information features with the 2GB plus 16GB S13 Air and the side part. And another side part, it shows the Bluetooth voice remote control. And on the back, it shows you can use this TV stick to get all the top apps and games on this TV stick, and also have some general data on here. And here shows the connection diagram, and this will be the package information. And if you buy from our company, we also support to do some simple customization. For example, you want to change this package to your own design color package, is also supported. And if you want to do some simple logo customization on the TV box package, you can just send us your logos so we can put it on and show you directly. So this will be the basic information about the S13 Air TV stick. Let's open this TV stick now. And after open, it will have a portable back. So all the TV stick, remote control, and the accessories on this bag. So it's very convenient. You can just use like this way, like a pencil bag. Now let's open this bag, and you will find this S13 Air TV stick. And this is the front side, and on the back side you will see the LED lights for the signal for when you power on. And this is the HDMI port for the TV stick to your TV. And on the side it has the Type-C port for the power supply for this TV stick, and also supports the IR receiver function. And on the another side, this TV stick also supports the USB devices. So you can use the USB devices directly on this TV stick. So this is a very simple design, but white color is very nice design. And except for the TV stick, it also has the Bluetooth remote control. And this TV stick supports the Bluetooth 5. And you will see this is the Bluetooth voice remote control, and this is the voice function, and also have some shortcuts for the media apps. So you can use this remote control to open these apps directly. And also if you want to customize your own brand for this model, you can just put your logo on here, so sell it as your own brand. So this will be the voice Bluetooth remote control. And in the back, it also has the HDMI cable. So this is the TV stick HDMI cable. One side for the TV stick and another side is directly plugged into your TV. And this is the power cable. So it's very simple. You just need to use this USB part, plug in, and you can directly plug this USB port to your TV directly, or we also pair with this power adapter. So you can just use this to the power adapter and power on. So this will be these accessories and how to connection to this TV stick. And we also have a instructions card for these TV sticks. So this will be the basic information about the S13 Air TV stick. Next, we are going to share how to do something on the TV directly. For the first time you connect the S13 Air TV stick to the TV, it will require you to pair in a Bluetooth remote control to the TV stick. So you can follow this to press and hold the OK and minus buttons at the same time. So you can just press these two buttons and close to the TV stick and release the button after the light on the remote control flashes and wait for automatic pairing directly. So we can just press these two buttons and you can close to the TV stick and release the button after the light on the remote control is flashes. So it shows pairing the remote control and connecting the remote control and successfully. So for the first time, we already directly into the TV stick interface. So it shows we are not able to access the internet and you will find all the apps. This actually is also the ATV interface for this TV stick, and you can press the all buttons to see all the pre-installed apps. So you will find some popular apps on here directly, and also you can just open the Play Store to download installed apps you wanted directly. So we can use the remote control to find more information, like I switch to the apps. So you can find more information on here, and we can just switch to the settings on the right corner. And on the settings, they see there are some general settings like the network internet, because it's the first time we connect to the TV stick, so no network connected. You can connect here directly, and for this TV stick, it supports the 2.4G, 5G, Wi-Fi 6. So you can connect to your Wi-Fi, search your Wi-Fi, and connect your Wi-Fi directly on here. And accounts, profiles. This part is for the Google account. Like we just said, it pre-installed the Google Play Store and also has some YouTube or some other apps. For these apps, it always requires you to log in your Google accounts. And also, this remote control is the voice remote control. When you are using the voice function, it also will require you to log in your Google account. So you can just log in on here. And on the display and sound, you can just check the advanced device display settings. So you can just select here directly and you can get more information on here. And let's see, apps. Apps means all the apps you install and the permissions and some security restrictions information on here, and device preferences. And on here, it also will see the device display information and about. And on the about, you will be able to check the system update on here directly. So you can just check the version, the latest version on here directly. And device name, this one is called S13L, and factory reset. For example, I installed some apps on here. If I choose to factory reset, it will make this TV stick back to the factory original information. Like I log in the Google account, I connect the Wi-Fi, it's all gone. So factory reset will be back to the original ways. And also you can check the status information, legal information, and Android version is the Android 14 TV OS versions, and also have the patch level and some kernel version. This is the firmware version, so you can check the about for this information. And Bluetooth, like we already connected this Bluetooth remote control, it shows remote S13, and also you can connect some other Bluetooth devices. And date and time, you can change the date and time directly. And language, and keyboard information, and decode. This TV stick supports the 4K decoding, so you can watch the 4K videos directly, and also have some import, display, storage information, and many other information you can find on here. And this TV stick is the 2GB plus 16GB. For a TV stick, it's very regular configuration for the device storage now. And also you can get more information from here. And next will be restart. So restart is just to restart these devices from the boot up, like you open this device again. So this will be the basic information you can find on the settings. So most apps and most functions you need to use must connect the network. So let's connect the Wi-Fi for now. Now we already connect the network and internet, and also we log in our Google account. And after you connect the network and log in the Google account, we will see the interface is more special for now, and you can use more apps. You can download many apps on here directly. Now we are going to share how to use the voice function. For the basic information we just mentioned, you have to connect the network. The network must be working, and secondly, you must log in the Google account. So we all do the two process. So we can just press this voice button to see what will show. So it will show this page. So you can just speak loudly. For example, I want to open the Google Play Store. You can just set and directly. Let's try. We just press once and speak loudly. Open Google Play Store. Now it shows open Google Play Store, and now it's open, and you can just use these apps. You can download, install your favorite app to this TV stick directly. So this will be the voice function. You just need to press once and speak loudly. Open Disney Plus.
Disney Plus.
So this is very simple to use this voice function, right? And we mentioned you can just use the shortcut apps directly when you are using this TV stick. So this will be some basic information about the S13 Air TV stick. And next we are going to use some apps to testing these apps directly. And we already installed the apps directly on here. And first one will be the AIDA64 app. So we can just open this app directly. And it is a testing app. It will show your model S13 Air and the chipset from the Rockchip RK3518, and also installed memories, information, total memory, and available memory. And this is the system information you can get from this page, and also have some device features you can check on here directly. And you can back to the CPU information. For this TV stick is the 4X ARM Cortex A53 and with 64-bit ARM V8A. So this is the basic information. You can use this testing app to test it directly. And next will be the display, and it shows the screen resolution and also some other information on here. And network. For here, we connected the Wi-Fi directly, so it's some Wi-Fi information and Android information. This TV stick with Android 14, and it is one of the latest Android 14 TV stick on the market now, and all the original new material for this TV stick. And the device's information, theme, apps, codes, directory, system files about. For this will be the S13 Air TV stick. So this will be this test. Next one will be the root check. We are going to check if this TV stick is rooted or not rooted. So you just need to download this root testing app. So it shows the S13L is a rooted TV stick and running Android 14. So this will be the root check devices. And the last testing app will be the M22 test. So we can just move the scissor to test now, and it will taking a long time to test these devices and show the result.